There are countless reasons to love engineered hardwood floors. Natural beauty, timeless style, rich character, and more. And with the wide range of different species, textures, colors, and widths, you're sure to find a hardwood that will perfectly match your style. There's even one other difference you may not have considered before. It's the cutting technique used to convert the wood into the top layer of engineered hardwood flooring. Understanding the way wood is cut gives you another way to select a hardwood floor that's truly perfect for you and your home. One way wood is made into hardwood flooring is a rotary cut. It is the most widely used cutting technique in flooring today. It's also the most efficient use of the log because it yields the most wood. Rotary cutting offers a wide variation in wood grain patterns, including variations in grain shape, direction, and prominence. Rotary cutting typically creates large-scale grain patterns, often larger than is visible in a single plank, and it beautifully highlights the unique colors and characteristics of each wood species. Another way to turn wood into beautiful hardwood flooring is through the sliced cut. With sliced, the wood is cut with a blade down the length of the log. Hardwood made with the sliced method is less common than rotary. Sliced veneer hardwood features elongated, narrow grain patterns. This method creates the narrow cathedral patterns that are desirable characteristics of many hardwood floors. Sliced hardwoods also present a pure visual of the wood grain, character, and growth patterns as they exist in nature. Another phrase you may encounter while shopping for hardwood is called sawn. It's very similar to sliced, but the wood is cut using a saw instead of a blade, and the veneer of finished hardwood is slightly thicker. Once installed, the look and overall beauty of sliced and sawn are very similar. Shaw Floors offers a stunning array of styles using both cutting techniques, and of course, they're all beautiful.